Aloha, thanks for checking out your weather here at KITV.com. I'm Cam Tran with a look at your surf and weather for this Aloha Friday. Still got the high surf up in those country shores today. In fact, we're under a high surf warning until 6 a.m. on Saturday morning. That's because we've got another large swell that's going to reinforce that big super swell that rolled in on Wednesday. That's not going to be as high, but still looking at some 30-foot faces for the north and 20-foot faces possible for the west. Again, not expecting those major wave heights till later on this evening. That's because that major swell that's going to reinforce that big one not moving in until later on today. Looking more at like 15 to 25 occasional pluses on the northern shores, 15 to 20 on the west, and we do have a slight bump for those town shores today. You got 1 to 3 for the south and 1 to 3 for the east. And we have watch out for box jellyfish. They could roll in as early as today. Taking a look at your forecast for this Friday, mostly sunny, cool and dry, high of 77 degrees with very light winds in store for today. Looking at another cool down tonight, expecting lows in the lower 60s. Some places like in Wahiawa could hit the 50s. Kapolei could hit the 50s again. Looking at clear skies, very few showers, going to be chilly overnight tonight. Have a great Aloha Friday.